So before you download the app for your phone, I suggest using it on your computer for at least an hour or two so you get the hang of it and feel how useful it is. Benefiting from the app will help to motivate you to get through this little initial bit of difficulty. So how do you download the app for your phone? Well, you go to my website and then you scroll down the page and you click on download only the language lists so that you've got them on your phone. I'm doing this on my computer. You do this on your phone. But then you're going to go ahead and click on use the app. And that'll open up the app on my website. Then you click dashboard. You click on manage lists. You go ahead and import your list from your phone. All of that, just like you did when you downloaded it to your computer. But the thing then is if we then select a list, then go to dashboard and start clicking next, what's going to happen is that the voice will either not be there or it will sound strange. Now, there are a few different solutions to that. It is possible that it'll sound fine on your phone or computer, depending on what voices you have downloaded. But this is the solution that will not only fix things for sure, but also offer some new opportunities that are really beneficial. So what you have to do is you go to dashboard and then we go ahead and we click custom voice options. And then right here, it says Google Cloud API key. And that is where we need to insert a little code. And what that does is it gives you a whole bunch of different voices that will play on your phone, on your computer, and you can choose voices. You can choose which one you like. And you can choose men, you can choose women, you can choose different kinds of accents.
Les directions. Le haut. Le bas.
Les directions. Le haut. Le bas.
Les directions. Le haut. Le bas.
It's really cool, but in order to get that code, we have to do a little 10-minute process.
Come on, Willie, you only have to do it once, just once, boy.
And it is worth the effort. My hope is that if you follow these instructions just one step at a time, it'll be pretty easy. So what you have to do is you have to go to Google Cloud. We just click on Google Cloud Console, and then we go ahead and create a little account, agree to the terms. You'll have to have a Google account. And then you go to select project, click new project, and type in a name. So in this case, we write learn a language, and then click create. Then go ahead and open that project. And what you're going to do now is you'll click on the APIs and services button here. And then here we'll go to library and then type in the word text in the text box so that cloud text to speech comes up. And then you click on that. And then you're going to click on enable. And what's going to happen is it probably won't work because you have to enable billing. Okay. Now, that does not mean this is going to cost you money because their text to speech pricing is that you get a free usage for typically up to 1 to 4 million characters, depending on the voice you're using. And what that basically means is that it is, at least currently, very unlikely that you will ever pay a penny for any of this. You would have to use it a ton. That could change. They could change their pricing, but currently you don't have to worry about it. So we go back, click this enable billing, and we're going to create a billing account. Okay, and so then you go ahead and you click agree and continue. You'll enter some billing information. Now, we're pretty sure that it's not going to cost you anything no matter what, but the world can be crazy, pricing can change. And so you go ahead and click on budgets and alerts in this billing area, click create budget, and then add in some sort of target amount like $5. And then in the next box, you can have it send you alerts so that if you get anywhere close to that $5, that it'll send you emails saying, whoa, your spending is starting to increase to $2.50 or whatnot. So that'll help to ensure that you never have to pay. So anyway, so now we've done that, now you should be able to click enable cloud text-to-speech API. So then what you can do is go to credentials and then click create credentials. And then over here in this little box here, you're going to select cloud to text API. Okay, you just go ahead and find that and then click OK. And then go down here and click create. And finally, you have this code here. You click copy. And then you go to your custom voice options in the Google Cloud API key. You just go ahead and you paste that. And then in the voice, you go ahead and click custom voice. And now this voice option here is going to open up, and now you're going to have all of these different voices available to you that you can use. And so you can select one. I don't like the chirps, which are the ones that are there the most. I suggest things like the neural or the polyglot or the standard or one of the others. And you'll also want to go down to the reward me section, which also uses voices. Click reward voice engine, make sure that is set to custom as well. I have it set to go to a default, which is the English Great Britain voice, but you may select whatever voice you want for your rewards. Go to the dashboard, close that out, and then just start clicking next, and you can enjoy that. And if you want to change the voice, you can at any time. It's really cool because it allows you to use it on any device and have a wide range of voices available to you, so you can pick the one you like the best.
Le côté.
Le côté.
Le côté.